Welcome to our podcast, Crypto Campus. I'm Aisha, and today we're diving into the world of Ethereum. Joining me is my co-host Jamal. How's it going, Jamal?
Hey Aisha, I'm doing great. I'm excited to talk about Ethereum today. It's such a hot topic in the crypto world.
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. Ethereum, often abbreviated as ETH, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, right after Bitcoin. But unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is much more than just a digital currency.
That's right, Aisha. Ethereum is actually a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. It's often referred to as programmable money.
Excellent point, Jamal. Now let's talk about Ethereum's price. As of today, ETH is trading at around $1,800. But it's important to note that cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile.
Absolutely. In fact, Ethereum has seen some dramatic price swings in its history. Its all-time high was nearly $4,900 in November 2021, but it's also seen lows below $100 in its earlier days.
That's a great segue into discussing Ethereum's price chart. When analyzing ETH's chart, we often look at vigorous timeframes, daily, weekly, or even yearly charts. These help traders and investors identify trends and make decisions.
Exactly. And it's not just about price. Volume is another crucial aspect of chart analysis. It shows the number of ETH tokens traded in a given period, which can indicate the strength of a price move.
Good point, Jamal. Now let's dive into Ethereum's coin profile. Ethereum was proposed in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin, a programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin magazine. It was officially launched in 2015.
That's right. And unlike Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins, Ethereum doesn't have a supply cap. However, it does have an issuance rate and a burning mechanism that was introduced with the EIP 1559 upgrade.
Speaking of upgrades, we can't discuss Ethereum without mentioning the merge, right?
Absolutely not. The merge was a significant upgrade that transitioned Ethereum from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism in September 2022. This dramatically reduced Ethereum's energy consumption and set the stage for future scalability improvements.
Excellent summary, Jamal. Now, let's touch on some recent Ethereum news. One of the biggest stories has been the anticipation of the Shanghai upgrade, which will allow staked ETH to be withdrawn.
That's right, Aisha. This upgrade is expected to have significant implications for Ethereum's tokenomics and could potentially impact its price. Another recent development is the growing interest in Ethereum Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum, which aim to improve scalability and reduce transaction costs.
Great points, Jamal. It's also worth mentioning the ongoing development of Ethereum 2.0, which aims to further improve the network's scalability, security, and sustainability.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the growing DeFi, decentralized finance ecosystem built on Ethereum. Despite competition from other smart contract platforms, Ethereum still dominates in terms of total value locked, TVL, in DeFi protocols.
That's a crucial point, Jamal. Ethereum's first-mover advantage in the smart contract space has given it a strong network effect. However, it also faces challenges like high gas fees during network congestion.
You're right, Aisha. It's a complex ecosystem with both strengths and challenges. As we wrap up, what would you say is the key takeaway for our listeners about Ethereum?
I'd say the key takeaway is that Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for innovation in the blockchain space. Its price, while important, is just one aspect of its overall value proposition.
Well said, Asha. And as always, we remind our listeners that while discussing these topics is fascinating, it's crucial to do your own research and consult with financial advisors before making any investment decisions.
Absolutely, Jamal. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Campus, and we'll see you next time.